Hello everyone and welcome to Middle East Scale Models. In this video I will explain to you how to assemble, weather and decal the cockpit and do a base color of the fuselage. We start by the painting of the avionics compartment and all the components related to the cockpit. I keep them connected to the main sprue, this way it's easier for me to keep them to dry. I hand paint the avionics compartment, then paint the flooring of the cockpit, continuing to the sides. These are going to be the side armrests of the cockpit, filled with electronic panels. This is how you place the decals on the sides. This is how it would look like without the cockpit seat. After the parts have dried up, I continue by adding the walls. Weathering them is a very good idea at this time. Then connecting them all together to have this final look of the cockpit and avionics compartment. Moving onwards, I chose to build the open air intakes since the aircraft is going to be on ground. Cut off the main fuselage, refine it, and then spray it with a base coat of dark gray. In the coming video, in part 2, you will see which paint scheme I chose for this legendary aircraft. I continue by painting most of the outer fuselage parts, from wings to side wings to rudders and air intake. After doing so, I connect or glue in the jet engine and the radar, which is going to be placed on the nose of the F-15C. After connecting the two large parts of the fuselage, you stick them together and fine or sand down any imperfections. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like so you can see part 2 of this beautiful F-15C by Tamiya. Thank you and goodbye.